guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show to you how you can combine two absolutely different images together to create a very beautiful image in wow factor. Let's jump. I have opened two images. I took those images at the summer, at the ocean, but I took those images at a different time. This image I took about 5 a.m. in the morning, and this image I took about 9 or 10 a.m. in the morning. I do not remember exact the time. So in this image I love the sky, I love everything about this image, but I wish I will see more ocean. In this image I love the ocean, but I completely dislike the sky. So I will combine two images. First of all, I will switch to a rectangular marquee tool and I will select the sky, just like that. But I will select the sky a little bit more than my horizon line stops, so somewhere here. And I will copy this image. I will switch to this document and I will paste my sky. Using move tool, I will resize it. I will reposition it just like that, bring up, and I will click OK to accept all changes. I will rename this layer to my sky, and I will highlight my background layer. I will duplicate this layer. I will rename my new duplicated layer to the ocean, and I will restack my ocean layer. I will click on this layer and I will drag this layer on top of my all other layers, just like that. Using same rectangular marquee tool, I will select the sky and I will delete it. Simply click delete key, just like that, and deselect. Now definitely I need to adjust my sky. I will switch to the move tool. I will select my sky layer and I will move my sky slightly up, just like this. And I'm happy with my sky for now. Time to adjust my ocean layer. I will highlight my ocean layer. I will go to image adjustments and match color. Here guys, I will specify source to background 2.psd, it's my document's name, and I will specify a layer to my sky. Basically guys, I would like to match my ocean layer color to my sky layer color. I will move fade slider slightly to the right. Guys, you can adjust any slider in any way you want to. So this is my settings in this particular image. I will click OK and voila. But I would like to apply more adjustment. I would like to bring adjustment down of my ocean layer. What I will do, I will click on adjustment panel. Here I have exposure icon. I will click on exposure icon, and in the properties panel I will click on add a clipping mask, and now I will apply my adjustment exposure only to the layer below my adjustment layer, basically only to the ocean. And I will move my exposure slider slightly to the right, just like that. Because I applied my adjustment as a separate layer, I can adjust or modify my adjustment layer at any time. So if you think that you apply exposure more than you wanted, simply bring down opacity of your exposure adjustment layer, just like that. Now guys, I need to adjust my horizon line. I would like to have more smooth transition between my ocean and my sky. I will highlight my ocean layer. I will click on add adjustment layer. I will switch to gradient tool. I will specify gradient from a black to transparent, and I will specify a radial gradient, just like that. I will specify opacity of my gradient tool to 25, and I will start fixing my horizon line. I will start with the area next to the sun, because sun will reflect the light, more brighter light to the ocean. I will apply a lot of a gradient to this area. Basically, I'm erasing my ocean layer, just like that. And I will continue doing same here, just like this. Guys, as you can see, it's not too complicated. I love using a gradient tool, creating smooth transition because I have full control over my tool. So just like this, just look, guys. What I'm doing, I'm simply erasing, smoothing up transition between my ocean and my sky layer. If for some reason you think that you painted out or erased more than you wanted, no problems. We will fix it. Simply switch from a black to white color and paint back areas you think you painted out more than you wanted, just like this. And voila, guys, now I have very smooth transition. But I would like to add a reflection of my sky to my ocean. So I will switch to move tool. I will highlight my sky layer. I will duplicate this layer. Now I have my sky copy layer. I will move this layer on top of my all other layers, just like that. Using move tool, I will flip this layer, just like that. I will resize it. I will reposition it, just like this, guys. And I will click OK to accept this layer. It's a lot of reflection. It's my image looks not realistic right now. What I will do, first of all, I will bring down opacity of my reflection layer, just like that. But if I will bring opacity down more, I will see that my reflection of my sky, my sun will disappear as well. I would love to see reflection of my sun. So what I will do, I will bring down opacity of my reflection about 75%, maybe, let's see, 62%. I will go to filter, blur. You can use any blur filter you're more comfortable with. It's up to you. And I will specify radius for my blur about 7.2 pixels, and I will click OK. I like my sun reflection. I like everything. I like reflection of the sky over my shore line, but I don't like a lot of reflection over my waves. So what I will do, I will switch back to a gradient tool with same from black to transparent. I also will specify a radial gradient as well. Opacity, I will bring down opacity to 18, and I will paint out area over my waves, just like this. So as you can see, I still can see the reflection of my sky in the ocean, but it's more elegant, just like this. Also, I would like to bring make more elegant reflection of my sky in a shoreline using same tool, gradient tool. I'm not changing anything, guys. I will smooth reflection over the shoreline, just like this. I still can see very beautiful reflection of the sun, but rest of my reflection is more elegant right now, like we can see in real life, just like this. beautiful, guys, very, very beautiful and elegant. And the last step, guys, I will click on adjustment panel. Here I have color lookup adjustment. I will click on it. From the drop down menu, I will click on fall colors that look, and voila. And again, guys, because I apply adjustment as separate layer, I can modify my adjustment layer. I will bring down opacity of my adjustment layer. Its opacity equal 0%, and I will move my slider to about, let's see, to about 14%, and voila, guys, I'm very happy with my image. We combined two completely different images together to create a very beautiful image with definitely big wow factor. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions, just ask. I'm here to answer to any of your questions. And thank you. Thank you very much for spending your time with me. Very appreciated. Thank you, and I will see you later. Bye.